Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, are you facing WhatsApp OTP not coming? So here are the 5 fixes. So let's go through the fixes one by one. So first of all, we have to go to phone settings. So let's find phone setting, tap on it, and number 1, check the internet connection. So you can go to mobile networks here. Then you have to tap the mobile data off and then on. Tap it on, off and then on. So after doing this process, you have to go back and you have to check and you have to verify the contact number. So after verifying the phone number, you have to wait for the SMS timer and use me, call me. Use call me option if you're not getting the option. And after that, what you have to do is check SMS block or spam filter. You have to check. Some phones block unknown SMS automatically. So in that case, you just need to go to SMS apps, then spam slash blocked messages, and then also check if DND do not disturb is blocking service messages. So after doing this process, you have to go to you have to go to back, and then you have to restart the phone simply, and your problem will be fixed. And if it's still not fixing, then after doing all these processes, you have to just go to apps option and then go app management, find WhatsApp and click on force stop. After doing this process, you have to click on storage usage, click on. After that, you have to clear the cache, and after clearing the cache, you have to click on manage apps, manage spaces. You can turn on disappearing message if you want. Either you can manage downloads. So after doing this, you can go back and simply again restart the phone and your problem will be resolved. So I hope you must have liked the video, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.